In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use filters in Gmail. Filters are a powerful way to keep your inbox organized, reduce clutter, and make sure important messages never get lost. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up smart rules that automatically sort, label, or even forward emails for you. Start by opening your Gmail account. At the top of the screen, you'll see the search bar where you normally look for emails. On the right side of that bar, there's a small filter icon. Click it to open Gmail's advanced search and filter options. This is where you tell Gmail which messages you want to target. You can filter by sender using the From field, which is perfect for newsletters or specific contacts. The To field is helpful if you manage multiple addresses or aliases in the same inbox. Use Subject to catch messages with certain phrases in the subject line. Has the words lets you target keywords in the message, while doesn't have helps exclude anything you don't want included. If you're tackling large messages, use size to specify greater than or less than a certain amount, and choose the unit, like MB or KB. Turn on Has attachment if you only want messages with files attached. You can combine several of these fields to get very precise, which is especially useful when you want a filter to run quietly in the background without missing or over-capturing messages. After entering your criteria, click Create Filter. Now decide what Gmail should do automatically when a message matches. Skip the inbox, also known as archiving, removes the message from your main view without deleting it. Mark as read keeps things tidy if you don't need to open those emails. Star it is great for items that require quick attention. Apply a label groups messages under a label, which works like folders. You can pick an existing label or create a new one during this step. Forward it sends matching emails to another address you've already set up in Gmail. Delete it moves them straight to trash, which is best used for messages you're sure you won't need. If you want to clean up older messages too, turn on the option to apply the filter to existing matching emails. Then click Create Filter again to save and activate it. From now on, Gmail will handle those messages automatically. To manage your filters, go to Gmail settings, then find Filters and Block Addresses. From there, you can edit a filter to refine it or delete it if it's no longer needed. With a few thoughtful filters, your inbox can practically manage itself.